In this video, I will show you how to install the Fortnite app on your Android. So as you all know, if you try to install this Fortnite app or this Fortnite game on your Android, if you come to Play Store and you search for it, trust me, you won't get it. Okay, so let's try searching for it. As you can see, you won't get it. So the perfect way to get this game, come to your Google Chrome. Once you come to Google Chrome, come here to the search bar and then search for download Fortnite Android from uptodown.com. So when you tap on that, you see this first website over here, which is called uptodown.com. As you can see, download Fortnite game is there. So you tap on that first website very fast. And as you can see, the game is over here, and you can see over 125 million people have downloaded this game, and its rating is 4.4. So you can come over here and then get the latest version of this Android game. As you can see, just tap on get latest version. Once you tap on get latest version over here, as you can see, you're given specifications on which this game can run. It can run on the Android operating system, okay? Its size is 246 MBs and it has over 16 permission it will require to access. So if you want to download it, just come and then click on download over here down, okay? So once you download it, you go ahead and then install it and you'll be good to go. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. We shall meet in the next video once again.